I opened both of them. What? Yeah.
Bonus. I left you had the bonus one.
Yeah, the purple one
Right.
and the red one, the double up bonus.
And the beer line on this side of the damn thing don't be in the damn bag.
We got one spin left. That's a good save. That's a good save. Back to 3. So the bird comes across twice. 88 cents. Even if the numbers don't come down and the bird flies across there, you're still guaranteed something. We need to save. There we go. And the bird. And those are all the different wins. The grand is $5,120.33. And that's on 88 cents. Okay. Those work. Mine says the same thing. Bird. All right. Last spin on the bottom. We need a save. Oh, that's all right. Not bad. Party. $61.50. Not bad at all.